Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your T-Mobile IP address. Now, to change this, first you need to access your T-Mobile, LTE Wi-Fi gateway settings and configure the IP MAC binding to reserve a static IP address for a specific device. So let me break down this process for you. So first we need to of course access the gateway settings. So you open up a browser and you navigate to the gateway's IP address, which is typically this URL. You just type it in your browser, okay? And then you enter your login credentials. Usually you'll find this on the bottom of the LTE Wi-Fi gateway, and then you navigate to the IP MAC binding section. So if a list symbol appears, basically just go ahead and choose it and then go to the expert settings, click on security and then IP/MAC binding. Now we need to configure this, okay? So we first need to turn on the IP/MAC binding under the settings. And to add a new device, you just choose add new and then toggle on check on this, enable this entry. So once we have checked that under client, you want to choose an option from the drop down menu, for example, manually, to enter the MAC address, IP address, and the device description, and then go ahead and click on apply. Now, remember that T-Mobile Home Internet uses dynamic IP addressing, meaning your IP address will change over time, and they do not offer a service to change IP from dynamic to static, okay? And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.